Right, right. I know you got what I meant, but let me just explain it again so that I know I've told you right. Hopefully I've worded it right. As you can see, I've got little tiny bubbles in my tank everywhere. Top, bottom, even down in this far right corner. See them? So what's happening with mine? DIY CO2 is in there, feeds out the back, comes up and over the top into that filter there. And I don't know if that will show this on the video, but there they go. There you go. You can see it spitting out the CO2. So what that's doing, if I move back, that's blowing it across my tank, but obviously it slowly rises up and then coming the opposite way. I've got, Christ, there is a lot of air bubbles in here, which is great. You can't even see it because of the air bubbles. Going the opposite way, as you can see, the airflow comes back. So that CO2 is going across there, up, and then being drawn in by that flow. And that flow, what I've done is I've positioned it so it goes, in fact, if I go around the side, you might get a better idea on this. I positioned it so it comes around here, hits the glass, and then you can see it being dispersed out across the tank, but not just the top. It does it, as I showed you a minute ago, right down to the corner. So that then comes forward, hits the glass, goes down, and that's why my entire tank, if I look up at the light, every inch of the tank has got those air bubbles. So just to recap, CO2 comes out, hits the air blows it down around the back of the filter, hits the side of the tank there, that spreads it out, it disperses down onto all my plants and everything, and then everything rises back up and just keeps recirculating. See? Nothing to it. I just went cross-eyed.